So next up, guys, have a very nice sleeper truck. So this is a 2019 Peterbilt 579. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view, but this one here, guys, got right around 550,000 miles. Got a Paccar MX-13. It's like a 455 horse motor or so. Kind of what makes this one pretty unique, it does have a 12-speed automatic transmission. So you got a nice sleeper truck with an automatic. That is an 80-inch bunk. You got 2 beds in there, aluminum rims. This thing was not detailed when it came in, so I'll kind of get up on the frame. The frame is extremely clean. Rims are good. If you got, and it's all aluminums as well, so if you did get this thing detailed, those rims would really shine. You have AC in the bunk. Just had quite a bit of work done at the shop, and we do have some of those tickets. So really good running truck. I'm here with Garrett. He's gonna fire it up, give you a nice demo. Like I said, it's a 2019, so it's pretty dang new. Reverse first here. Sort of spinning around a lot. But this did just pass a DOT inspection not long ago. So guys, this thing's ready to be put over the road, put to work. It does have a diff lock as well, so you can lock out those axles, kind of give you a little more traction. Kind of these mucky time that we got going this time of year. Definitely something that helps getting around the yard, I guess. Coming from a good home, it's a nice truck. So there's the demo on the 2019 Peterbilt 579 sleeper truck. You can buy it with confidence, guys. Really nice truck. Good luck with auction time at Old 20 Auctions.